So let's get to the developments, what are happening as far as in the NEET leak investigation is concerned. Now, what we are getting to know that there is a certain money trail that is now involved. And when it comes to a meeting of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Education, Women and Children, Youth and Sports is expected to happen today at around 1 p.m. to discuss the NEET UG 2026 paper leak issue. Now, what is being said as far as the official agenda of this panel is seeking an update on the progress in the investigation that has been conducted by the central agency, which is the CBI, and also a review on the implementation of the K. Radhakrishnan Committee report regarding NTA reforms. Also, especially when it comes to this meeting, the Education Secretary, the NTA Chairman are expected to make a presentation before the parliamentary panel, and the time which is now being given is around 1 p.m. So the investigation that has been taking place, of course, when it comes to the money trail that is also being conducted. Meanwhile, the Congress MP Digvijay Singh is said to be the one who would be chairing this key panel meeting. Let's connect with Nyamika on this. Nyamika, good morning. When it comes to the NEET paper leak, it is now turning into a pan-India racket. Multiple arrests, almost 10 of them that have now taken place. What are we now getting to know as far as the parliamentary panel is also concerned, that is summoned top officials?
Well, yes, indeed, this is going to be a very crucial meeting of the Standing Committee of Education, which is going to be held at 11 a.m. today, as this committee is being headed by Mr. Digvijay Singh, who is the Congress Party's Rajya Sabha MP, and the agenda has been, mentioned for the Standing Committee meeting, as it is going to take an update on the investigation into the NEET UG paper leak, as it is also going to discuss about the NTA reforms, as a report is going to be discussed in this particular meeting of the Standing Committee, as the official is are expected to make a presentation before the members of the Standing Committee on Education. We have seen that how continuously there are various protests which are currently taking place. There are political reactions also coming in. There is a concern related to the kind of paper leak which has happened, twice in the recent years, as the way in which the NTA was being formed and how much credibility is now being there within NTA, as now the investigation is being done by the CBI. So now the Standing Committee is going to take an update that how far this investigation has taken place and how many arrests have already been done. All of these reports are going to be given to the Standing Committee members today, as it is going to take place within the Parliament at 11 o'clock in the morning.
All right. So this meeting is expected to take place. And of course, when it comes to the Education Secretary and the NTA Chairman are expected to make a presentation before the parliamentary panel. Thank you, Nyamika, for that update. Because what we are now talking about as far as the racket is now concerned of this paper leak, and multiple states when it comes to the investigation, that only shows the scope of the probe that is being conducted by the CBI. And it is being said that this racket, this paper leak mafia, conducted itself in a very professional manner. Now, what is being said according to sources, around 5 lakh to 30 lakh rupees, that is what is being said, that was the demand for the question paper, the NEET leak details that are under scanner, and the demand was that selection first, then payment later. Now, that seems to be the involvement that is now coming in from the teachers, from the professors, from the parents, and allegedly offering blank checks, saying that when it comes to past NEET results that are also said to be under investigation, if there has been such kind of leaks that may have happened before. Meanwhile, when it comes to under the scope of the radar of suspicion are doctors. Paras, we are getting the information. Affluent families are also under scanner, and especially when it comes to shortlisting that is based on their family background. Now the probe is now widening into a certain money trail. Paras. Paras, can you hear me? All right, so that seems to be when it comes to the investigation that has been taking place in a very professional manner, as far as nearly 10 arrests that has now taken place on part of the agency. And more importantly, when it comes to these individuals are concerned, said to be one of them being the distributors of the paper leak, and especially when it comes to the one who was also collecting money. Then they were coaching centers and top professors who had direct access to the NTA and to the making of the question paper as well. Now, on the 3rd of May, when the examination was conducted, because there were loopholes, there were irregularities, then it is being said that the paper was scrapped, and the NTA, which is now come under scanner, and a lot of heat and protest by the students and the student unions as well, is now going to conduct the examination on the 21st of June. Meanwhile, let's get you exactly when it comes to these individuals are said to be the ones who have been cheating the entire system. Now, P.V. Kulkarni, a chemistry professor, he is said to be the alleged mastermind. He was part of the NTA panel that was setting up the chemistry paper. he apparently held coaching classes at his residence, and he dictated those papers. So they were handwritten notes that the students made, and that apparently matched exactly with the NEET UG paper that was held on the 3rd of May. So he was holding special coaching classes, and he was working with the co-accused, which is Manisha Wagmare in this case. So she was an accomplice who was also, what is being said, that was handing over the papers to the other accused in the case. So the mastermind and the co-accused, this is what we are now getting to know. Of course, when it comes to the involvement of certain, families who were ready to pay up lakhs and lakhs of money, they are now also setting up to be under investigation. And that is what we are now looking at as far as affluent families, doctors that are now coming across, who are now set to be under scanner. Paras, if you can hear me now, just give us the details accordingly, which is, coming in that from 5 lakhs to 30 lakh rupees. Seems to be the payment that has now been done. And this is the financial trail that the CBI is also looking into.
I think that
we can't hear you clearly, Paras. We're just going to, reconnect that line. But what is being said that the CBI, which has been holding these searches, mainly when it comes to these searches that has been taking place in Maharashtra. And that seems to be the very focus of the CBI, the Central Bureau of Investigation, because what is being said that multiple people who have been questioned, and what was being said, and it is being suspected that the numbers would go up to hundreds as far as the students that who have may have purchased the leaked paper. So this is now coming across from the Economic Offences Wing of the CBI, which had registered a case related to the leak of the NEET paper in biology and chemistry papers. And the agency has also been questioning several professors who are said to be linked allegedly to the NEET paper leak. In the meantime, we head into a very short break. You're watching Times Now.